What is a smart home gym?
Smart home gyms combine fitness equipment with technology. These systems often include interactive screens, on-demand classes, and real-time feedback. Examples range from high-tech resistance machines to connected bikes and mirrors. They let users exercise at home while following guided workouts, tracking progress, and staying motivated. But do they match the experience of a traditional gym, and are they truly a substitute?
Key benefits of smart home gyms.
Convenience is a major advantage. You can work out anytime, saving travel time. Personalized coaching through AI-powered trainers and live classes offers structure and motivation. Progress tracking, performance data, and interactive challenges keep users engaged. Smart home gyms also provide privacy and adapt to individual fitness levels, making them appealing for people who prefer a customized and comfortable environment.
Biggest drawbacks to consider.
Initial cost can be high, with equipment and subscriptions adding up. Space at home may be limited, especially for larger machines or multiple users. Some people miss the social aspect and variety found at traditional gyms. Certain equipment, such as heavy weights or specialized machines, may not be available in a home setup, potentially limiting advanced training.
Can home workouts match gym results?
Results vary by individual goals. Smart home gyms can support strength, cardio, and flexibility training for most users. With consistency and the right programming, many people meet or exceed their fitness goals at home. However, those training for elite performance or seeking the widest range of equipment may find the traditional gym offers advantages that home systems can't fully match.
Should you replace your gym with a smart home gym?
A smart home gym is a strong alternative for those prioritizing convenience, privacy, and guided workouts. It can substitute for a gym membership in many cases, especially for general fitness and busy lifestyles. Yet, the traditional gym still offers unique benefits, especially for social motivation or advanced equipment needs. The right choice depends on your space, budget, and personal fitness goals.